Hello friends, I'm Meghna and I'm back with few new different Vinyasa flow sequence. You can also check it out my previous video on that. So ready? Come, let's do it together. Vinyasa flow. It is a common yoga style where we combine our movement with breath. Let's know few benefits. A Vinyasa flow practice makes you strong and stable. Vinyasa flow count as cardio practice. It makes you flexible. It relaxes you and calms your mind. Vinyasa flow is one such form of yoga which is considered excellent to lose weight as it helps to burn tons of calories. So let's start the practice. Let's start with few warm up. Cat and camel. Inhale, chin up, exhale down. Continue 4 more rounds. Now sit back to child pose. Inhale to cobra, chin up. Exhale to child pose. Continue 4 more rounds. Sit back to child pose. Come on, move to mountain. Inhale to high plank. Exhale to mountain. Continue 5 times. Tightening your core. Now drop your knees, rest to child pose. Once again, back to mountain. Right foot forward, knees to the floor. Exhale, hip back. Inhale, knees bend. Continue 5 times each side. Remember keeping your spine straight. Now back to mountain. Switch the side. Left foot forward. Continue. Try stretching your legs fully. Back to mountain. Drop your knees. Rest. Get ready for first Vinyasa sequence. Take your palm support. Tuck your toes. Move to mountain. Join your feet together. Inhale, right leg up to the ceiling. Exhale, knee to your chest, moving to high plank. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to your chest. Remember in high plank, you're keeping your wrist shoulder in one line. Now hold for a second. And back. Continue Vinyasa. Refer the side video for scale down. Now let's switch the side. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, knee to your chest. Inhale up. Try to point your toes and keep your knees straight in single leg mountain. Now step back. Continue. Exhale Chaturanga. Inhale Urdhva Mukha. Exhale Adho Mukha. Now drop your knees and rest. Prepare for second Vinyasa flow. Moving to mountain. Join your feet together. Inhale, right leg up. Right foot outside your right palm. Lizard pose. Beginners can stay here. Those who are comfortable, drop your elbows. Refer the side video. Now move to your palm. Step back. From here, let's do side plank, right side. Stretch your arms, open your chest. Refer the side video for scale down. Now gently put your palms down, step back. Let's continue Vinyasa. Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Prepare yourself for left side. Left leg up. Left foot outside your left palm. Beginners can stay here. Make sure spine straight. If you're comfortable, drop your elbows. Tighten your core. Now slowly step back. Turn to the left side. Open your chest. Check that your wrist and shoulder is in one line. Beginners can take right foot support to the front. Now gently palms down, step back. Continue. Exhale Chaturanga. Inhale Urdhva Mukha. Exhale Adho Mukha. Drop your knees and rest to child pose. Prepare for third Vinyasa flow. Move to mountain. Join your feet together. Inhale right leg up. Exhale right foot forward. Keeping your knees straight. Check your alignment, hip, chest facing front. Stretch your arms. Exhale, move to Trikonasana. Beginners, keep holding your shin bone. Try that your hip and shoulders are in one line. Now gently come up. Bend your right knee. Check knee ankle in one line. Exhale, Viparit Veerbhadra. Reverse warrior. Now slowly drop your palms, step back, continue Vinyasa. Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Prepare for left side. Inhale, left leg up to the ceiling. Exhale, left foot forward. Keeping both the knees straight, hip, shoulder, chest facing front. Inhale, exhale down. Refer the side video for front view. Those who are comfortable, you can take your palm outside your ankle. Inhale, come up. Bend your left knee. Shoulder, hip facing front. Exhale. Viparit Veerbhadra. Refer the side video. Now gently back, palms down, step back to high plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Now drop your knees and rest. Get ready for fourth flow. Move to mountain. Join your feet together. Inhale, right leg up, right foot between both your palms. It's a medium stance. We are moving to Parshva Utthana. So keeping your spine straight. Try for Namaskara at your back. If this is challenging, try holding your elbows. Inhale and exhale down. Beginners can stay half. Advanced practitioner, try to bring your forehead to your shin bone. Now gently come up, moving to Parivita Trikonasana, revolved triangle pose. So left palm next to your right foot, open your chest and stretch. See that your both the hands are in one line. Gently drop your palms down. Step back to high plank. Continue vinyasa. Let's do left side. Inhale, left leg up, left foot forward. It's a medium stance. Slowly come up. Either join your palms together or hold your elbows. Inhale and exhale forward. Beginners can stay halfway. Slowly come up. Now moving to Parivritta Trikonasana. Right palm down, open your chest and stretch your hands. If comfortable, gaze up. Now gently drop your palms, step back to high plank. Exhale to Chaturanga. Inhale to Urdhva Mukha. Exhale to Adho Mukha. Drop your knees and rest. Prepare for last, fifth vinyasa flow. Move to mountain. Join your feet together. Inhale, right leg up. Now bend your right knee and move to your left palm. See that you're sitting comfortably on your buttocks. Now we'll do Parivritta Janusira. Now lock your fingers behind your head. Exhale down. Open your chest. Those who are comfortable, hold your toes. Inhale, come up. Now move to Ardha Matsyenasana. If your left knee is in top, then left palm will go back. Inhale, right hand up. Exhale. Elbows outside your left knee. Open your chest and keep gazing your left shoulder. Those who are comfortable, try hold your ankle. Now gently release. Take your palms forward. Left leg back. Lift your hip up. Step back to high plank. Continue vinyasa. Now prepare for left side. Left leg up. Bend your knees and bring your knees to your right palm. Sit comfortably. Interlock your finger. Exhale. Try opening your chest. Refer the side video for scale down. Now gently come back. Ardha Matsyen, right side. So right palm behind. Inhale, left hand up. Exhale. Elbows or armpit outside your knee. Keep gazing your right shoulder. Refer the side video. Slowly back. Palms to the front. Step back. Move to high plank and continue Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Drop your knees and rest. So now prepare for cooling down. Lie down on your back, feet together. Moving to Pavan Mukdasana. Take your knees to your chest and lock. Inhale, head up. Exhale down. Those who are comfortable, try touching your forehead to your knees. Now try to roll up and down. Do this 3 to 5 times. Now back to the mat. Stretch your arms. Take your both the knees to the right side and turn your face to the left. Now knees to the center and switch the side. Now knees to center. Stretch your leg and get ready for Shavasana. Palm facing up. Eyes softly close. Breathe naturally and hold this pose for 5 to 7 minutes.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Keep practicing and share me your experience. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much.